Boys and girls, welcome back to another episode. I hope everybody's having a good day. We are here back on the corner of Mines Road and Highway 130. We are taking a quick trip up the 130 to the Lick Observatory. So it begins now, San Antonio Valley Road. We're going to take this for about, I think it's probably 20 miles or something like that. We've gone up to the Lick Observatory before, but we've never been on this side, so this is what I call the back side of the Mount Hamilton. Because typically when I ride up Mount Hamilton, I'd go from the 130 on the San Jose side. But today we're going to be taking this side. What we can expect is probably a little bit of everything. A good technical road that should be fairly smooth. Probably get a little bumpy as we get closer to the top of the mountain, where it gets more technical. Out here down in the valley, it's a little bit more smoother, but there are also cow grades out here, which I told you guys last time we were out here. So when we see them, we're gonna have to really slow down for them. If you come out here, just be aware that they're out here. Santa Clara does do a pretty good job with warning drivers and people on the road that a cow grade's about to come up. So just gotta be aware. Well, currently it is 93 degrees today. Bike is running at a warm 176, and officially I have 28,387 miles on my F309. So just keep racking up those miles. This bike is so good with eating up miles, like I don't even notice. Yeah, I thought this would be a really good time to break in my tires. A good ride anyways. It's a nice long journey. Gives me plenty of turns to scrub the sides and really soften up that carcass. And so far the tire performing really good. Lots of fast ass turns here, and we're going to be climbing up really sharp U's. Oh yeah, and I'm sure we'll see our typical sports car climbing through here too. Looks like there's a few gravel snakes in the middle of the road, so I'm gonna have to adjust my lines for those. Being out here in the middle of nowhere definitely makes you like a little bit more cautious of how at least I'm riding, because I do not want to be stranded back out here. It's a very isolated area, and I don't even know if I get reception out here. So on a scale of like 1 to 10 on the technicality rating for this road, I'd probably give it an 8. And the reason why I'm not giving it like a full 10, as technical as this road can get, is because I think what's missing here are extreme like elevation changes, right? So you're not going up and down like a hill. You have blind corners, but if you have blind corners with fast downhills or fast uphills, that's a whole different story. And you know, when you get to the part where you're actually climbing the mountain, it's all, you know, just uphill or downhill. It's not really anything out. It's not, you know, nothing like major. So I think even once we get to the more technical uphill portion, it's still relatively easy to read. You know, so I think though, but what makes this, you know, road a challenge is mostly its texture, and its ability to just be unpredictable with like rocks. Also the cow grades. The cow grades are kind of make this a challenge. But yeah, this road definitely takes a good amount of focus. And it's really just, again, if you're coming up here for the first time, you're not going to be traveling very fast. You're going to take your time and really like read out the road. I mean, hell, I'm not even going that fast myself, but I haven't been back here for a while. All right, I think now we're starting our climb. So the climb is not so bad. You do have these fast like turns, these fast U-E's. And if you could read them and you can prepare for them, then that's not too big of a deal. Yeah, for me this is like a third, maybe fourth gear road. Wow, that is that's a big chunk of road that's missing from the side. And cow grate. Cattle guard. You know, it sucks because you want to go through those as straight as possible, and when they put it like right in the middle of a turn, it doesn't really help. Like, I don't even know why those are really there. I've looked around, there's no cows around. There's no cattle of any sort. It's such a workout being up here. I'm already getting hungry. Luckily I brought a snack. Stopped by the store or the gas station to fill up a little bit, and then I always bring a snack with me because I'm always hungry on my little road trips. Traffic. It is a little cooler up here. It's 86. That's nice. Oh wow, that's a view. I don't know if I could pull over and show you guys, but you guys got to see this view. Oh, hold on. All right, check that out. Hold on, check that out. That's pretty cool. All right, let's continue. Boy, oh boy. Well, that's fine. We are 5 minutes from the top, so no need to be passing up anybody. Not here anyways. It is way too narrow and too many blind corners. Oh, she's gonna let me pass. That's cool. Don't get stuck up here, Tesla. There's no charging stations. Alright, I see our destination. Should be there shortly. It's gonna be nice to take off this jacket. It's really hot. Alright, here comes the blind corner. Anyone coming? Nope. Alrighty. Let's see. I'm gonna park back here. Ugh. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for this ride. Hopefully, you enjoyed the sights and sounds, but I will get some footage for you. So stick around. There's gonna be more footage of the Lake Observatory. All right, later.
That's gonna do it for this ride. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Till next time, guys. Later.